Hi, Pat here. I have a Teac reel-to-reel model A-4000S. Will power on. Hit play. That does spin as it should. Play reverse. They both spin, but my caption spindle ain't moving. And this is a little stiff. I'm pretty sure there's a bad belt inside, so let's take a look. I slid this out of the wood cover and took the front plate off, and here's my belt, which you kind of figure would be happening. And also this magnet here should be glued right up to that angle. These magnets are kind of strange. One side there doesn't pick up. The other side does. I always wonder how they pull that off, but it should get glued in right there. And my caption pulley, it came a little loose, still a little stiff. I'll put some oil in that. And this tension lever should be a little, should move about a ½ inch, but it's really not moving at all. So you have to figure out how to free that up. I got this pulley bracket loose. I had to go around the back to get the screws out. But here's the pulley. I put a little oil in there, and I probably put a little dab of grease there. And this caption pinch roller, I had a hard time getting off of here. You can see in there that grease is all dried up. Took quite a bit to get this thing off, but I'll get that cleaned up and slide it back on. I had to use heat to get this thing to come apart. It's just how badly they gum up after a while. But I'll get it back together and get this back in. Well, I got the new belt on, and let's hit play.
I know it's hard for you, my baby. Please go away.
So it is working. So let's take a look at the electronics. This playback board just slid right out, so I did go ahead and replaced all the caps in it. Well, I got it back together and it is working. And the funny thing about this thing right now is a playback only. It does have a record head in there. There is 4 heads down here. But basically it's this one here without the record amp on there. They sold it separately, so I guess I'll just hang on to this thing and maybe I can find a record amp for it. Oh well, and call this one done. Thanks for watching.